Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall talk about string formatting. String formatting is nothing but placing the values at a definite places in a given string. We use placeholders and a format method for string formatting. Okay, so without any delay, let us start with a simple example. I'll have a variable num is equals to, let the variable be 120. Now I'll format this. Firstly, I'll use a string. I must have a string for formatting it, right? So I'll have a string. The number is, now here I want my variable num. I'll use the placeholders and I'll format str.format method, and I want the variable num, right? So I'll place num here. According to my assumption, the num has to be placed in the place of placeholders. Okay, so let us see if that happens or not. Yeah, we got the number is 120, where our variable num is placed in the place of placeholders. Now you may be thinking that this may be done using just print the number is comma num. Now I'll write again. Yeah, these two return the same output, right? But what if I have now 1 is equals to 280 and I want these two statements to be same. The number is, yeah, we can do it like this, but both the statements are same and we don't want to write it again and again. In this case, we can use string formatting. Just I'll give my string to be, the number is, and I'll print string.format num, and I'll also print my string.format num1. Without repeating the statement, I have formatted my string with two different values for two different statements. Okay, this time we didn't repeated the string and we got two statements, right? So in this way you can format the strings. Now I want here the first number and the second number. I'll again give a placeholder here. Now here I'll give a string first and another one second. Come, remember that the arrangement of placeholders and the order of variables in the format method must be in the same way. Otherwise, if I give num here, let's change this num and I'll give first here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the 120 number is first and the second number is 280. Okay, this is so weird, right? So remember that order must be very particular. Okay, now I'll just change this. Okay, now I want two decimals after my 120 or 280. Okay, I'll just have a colon and specify the number of decimals you want here. Okay, f is nothing but floating point value and 2 is the number of decimal points after the decimal. Invalid format specifier. So you have even comma here. It's not a comma, it's a dot. Yeah, we got two decimal points after, sorry, two zeros after decimal point, and you can also change it as you wish. Okay, yeah, we got one decimal point. Now I want to have here, I'll change the order again. I'll give this to be num and first, and I'll change this order also. Now we can't just go and run it as it is. Here I want to give the index value to be 1, where this is considered to be a tuple. Okay, so where the first value is first and the value with index 0 is num, right? So I'll change this and I'll give the index to be 0. Now I'll run it again. Yeah, this time we got here index 0, which is num, is given, and index 1, which is first, is also given. Okay, in this way you can specify index also. Now you can also have named indexes here. Here this is number, right? I'll just remove all this. I'll get my str is equals to some the value is, I know the statements are very bad, but here I'll give it to be a number, and I'll print str.format number is equals to some 340. Here you can have any number of values with named indexes. Just for the example, I'm having only one value. Yeah, the value is 340. Okay, so in this way you can format the strings, and that's all. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also for more Python tutorial videos, also for more exciting Python programs, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, reach me out in the comment section. Bye bye.